Hello everyone, welcome to this chemistry channel. This is Amir Sheikh, faculty of chemistry. Welcome you all. Uh, Another name reactions from the letter A, that very useful reactions for functional group transformation. Uh, After the first reaction, that is acylene condensation from family of A, we'll focus to or we're going to discuss the another reaction that will be uh, reactions from A family, which is called as a Appel reaction. So we'll see the first mechanism and reaction statement and the all related terms of what this Appel reaction. You know that this Appel reaction is the reactions where the conversion of an alcohol to alkyl halide using the compound as a tetrahalomethane and trialkyl phosphate. So these are the two important reagent which are used in this transformation. So we have already the alcohol, okay, and that alcohol is treated with CX4, that is tetrahalomethane, and triphenylphosphine as the reagent. It will be converts into the alkyl halide. So the best transformation of from alcohol to alkyl halide is this reaction is called as a Appel reaction. Now this reaction is the best example of what SN2 chemistry. You know that SN2 chemistry is nothing but the where the inversion is occurred, and you know that inversion stereochemistry is the best example of a substitution reaction, that is SN2, where the stereochemistry of what a reactant is given. Reagents are here CX4 and PPh3. We can use the ClBr instead of what X, and you get the inverted product. That reaction is called as a SN2 reaction. We'll see the mechanism of this reaction. You know that PPh3 is a neutral ligand, also be act as a nucleophile source. Now you know that this is a simple reaction between phosphorus lone pair and halogen from the CX4. CX3 negative ion will be liberated, and here the reagent or the compound will be appear. That compound is called as a triphenyl phosphonium halide, PH3PX, okay, having positive charge. This is called as a triphenyl phosphonium halide. Later on, the byproduct of this first step is CX3 negative ion. You know that it is act as what negative species, also will act as a base. It will be reacts with your alcohol and will abstract the proton, so formation of haloform, or one can say CHX3. Okay, the negative ion from that reagent, that alcohol, will be the source of what nucleophile, okay, and CHX3 will be a neutral, will be liberated from this molecule. Okay, the next step is what PH3P plus and X negative. X, when your alkoxide ion which is generated in the second step, that will be attacked to the phosphorus because it is deficient. Here X will be the eliminated. Okay, you get this intermediate. Now whatever the intermediate will be appear now, in this case what, you know that this phosphorus oxygen bond will be developed. Still there is a deficiency on the phosphorus, then lone pair on that oxygen will be transferred, will be make the double bond with phosphorus. Oxygen phosphorus double bond will be formed, and this one will be get this intermediate. Okay, and this is actually the concept of a resonance. And now here that X negative ion which is just formed in this reaction, in this step, will be attacked SN2 wise, and here the PO bond, okay, will be more stabilized, and here the driving force of this reaction is just a PO bond formation, and this bond will be shifted to oxygen. Okay, and finally you will leads to the product which is substituted one having inversion in configuration. The driving force of this reaction is formation of stronger bond, that is a PO bond. So this is the best example of what inversion in the configurations. So alternate reactions are also be given. Here alcohols are there. In the presence of what NXS, that is N-halosuccinamide, you will get the halides which is having inverted in configuration. Another example is also here. So this is the molecule where we treated OH is having stereochemistry and reacted with CX4 and PPh3, then you will be converts into the halides with inversion in configuration. So this is the best example which converts alcohols to halides in the presence of what PPh3 and CX4 as a reagent. So thank you for watching. This is the best reaction for transformation. Okay, if you like this content, so must subscribe. Thank you.